scandal, but another company that's been rocked by allegations of financial misdeeds is Denmark's largest bank. The CEO of Danske Bank has resigned after its Estonian branch was accused of laundering billions of dollars. After 5 years at the helm, Thomas Borgen stepped down following the accusations which came to light last month. That's despite an internal investigation clearing him of wrongdoing. The probe revealed millions of suspicious payments worth more than $230 billion made through Danske's Estonian unit. Some are from family members of Russian President Vladimir Putin. Estonia and Latvia have been at the center of several banking scandals. US authorities have been worried that dirty money flowing into the region are helping people evade sanctions or finance terrorism. Joining me now from Paris is TRT World's editor-at-large, Craig Copetas. Hello there, Craig. Is anyone surprised at Mr. Borgen's departure?
No, not at all. You thought Malaysia was big. $230 billion from 6,200 clients. That's astronomical. And the interesting thing about this is that Danske Bank has already put aside $800 million to handle risk and legal challenges. I think it must be said that the amount here is not so far been identified as illicit, but look at the number again, $230 billion. That's equal to half of all of Russia's spending in 2015. It's 26 times the size of government spending in Estonia, and it's the equivalent of more than 2 years of exports from Denmark.
Yeah.
It is a remarkable sum.
That is absolutely huge. Glad you put that into context there, Craig. I mean, the other big question is, could the US go after Danske Bank for violating sanctions or for any other such misdeeds which inevitably take it through the US financial system?
Well, they're dealing in dollars, and that's why Danske put $800 million aside for legal funds. Look, this goes back to our old friend, the extraterritorial application of U.S. law. Danske Bank was dealing in dollars, albeit, I mean, I'm going to be belligerent here, and we're going to get calls, but the fact is, if this money was coming from Russia, it was in all likelihood under Russian law quite legally transferred out of the country. But we all know Russia is a kleptocracy state. Nonetheless, there may be exposure to Danske Bank and other individuals and other banks because the currency here was the global currency, the United States dollar.
Okay, we're going to have to leave there for now. Craig Copetas in Paris. Thank you.